Hello, I am Overhaul, and it's come to my attention that I must attempt to entertain you for this Halloween. I do not wish to be here. I am not enjoying this, and I sincerely hope that you do not have a good time. Without further ado, let's dive in. Wait, what's up with this music? Let's change this shit. Happy Halloween! Remember to wear your mask. I've already got that covered. I can't post this full pic yet, but here's a preview. Happy Halloween. I could care less about that character. Happy Halloween, bitch. Happy Halloween, femme fatale. The night before All Hallows Day, the original name for All Saints Day, is called All Hallows Even. This was shortened to All Halloween by the 16th century and eventually Halloween we know today. Nice tattoo. Want a cookie? Today's PvP whatever. Ghost Runner. Could care less. It's Halloween, so here's my favorite witch on your timeline. Halloween people celebrating Halloween. Cannot believe I'm being told to do this. Tag her. Don't know what you're talking about. Wear a mask. Already got you covered. Halloween Total Drama Island in Minecraft. It's not Halloween. Oh great, more TikTok. Please end TikTok. You know, if I had it my way, we wouldn't have to deal with TikTok anymore, I'm just saying. Happy Halloween, the Scream ripoff. Got some pumpkins that aren't even carved yet. Some Edward Scissorhands knockoff. Got some Mario themed stuff here. I must admit, pretty good artwork. Happy Halloween. Looks like a streamer. Kids these days. More anime. Bunch of weebs celebrating Halloween. Nezuko. Maybe I would have had a better time faring with the demons. Okay, sure. More anime characters. More anime characters. I'm telling you, Halloween's ran by weebs now. Happy Halloween. Einstein Kills. Pretty good band, actually. I will recommend them. Happy Halloween. Nicki Minaj. Just gonna skip past that. What's your favorite scary movie? Scream. Let's see what else we got here. $5 spooky sips at Applebee's. Look at me promoting corporations through my small channel. Wait, how is this even Halloween? It's not Halloween at all. Get out of here. This is pretty cool. Undertaker's daughter dressed up as him for Halloween. Okay, that's something I can get behind. The girl looked like Elsa without the blonde hair. Sure, okay. Oh, here's one for Murfurter. What else we got? Do the thing. I could do that to anything I touch. More anime characters, more Elsa. Be a hero and vote. No cape required. Well, that's good, because I don't believe in capes. Sonic. The same things are showing up over and over again. Stupid Batman and Robin, the Halloween dance, the anime people, the cat people. It just won't stop. Someone please make it end. Alright, you know what? I've had enough. I've had enough, guys. Alright, so I don't care what they say. I'm ending it here. And I know I'm supposed to say, you know, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. To be frank, I don't care. You go do whatever you want. Okay, I guess I'll say this. Take care and stay awesome. So, Drake, what brings you here to my quarters?
Well, Mr. Overhaul, you see, there is a certain problem with our pandemic.
Yeah?
The problem being there is another one that has started.
A villain's trying to upstage us.
No. Worse. A natural virus, sir. Called COVID-19.
COVID-19.
Or in simple terms, or hero terms, the coronavirus.
Damn it!